નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to learn chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. In this, here we are going to talk about surface areas of various solids like cuboid, cube and cylinder, and also we'll discuss about their volume. Then we'll go for other solids like cone, sphere and hemisphere. So now today let us start for the surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. As you know, cuboid means it is a solid having 3 dimensions. It is a 3-dimensional figure, so it contains dimensions like length, breadth and height, whereas cube is same like cuboid, but difference is here all the 3 dimensions are same, and here all the 3 dimensions are they are not same, they varies. So let us start with surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid means here it has 6 surfaces. So we have to go for the surface area of all the 6 surfaces, and that is we say total surface area. If we go for the area of all the 4 surfaces except top and bottom, that is we say curved surface area, or here as it is not curved we say lateral surface area of all the faces. Just like you see, for example, if you go for a building, a room. In a room there are 6 surfaces: ceiling, floor and 4 walls. So when we say that area of 4 walls, that means curved lateral surface area of 4 faces of this cuboid. So let us start with this lateral surface area of cuboid. So what is lateral surface area of cuboid here? Here area of one surface, we say this front side, that is length into height. So length into height. Now you can see front surface and back surface both are same line. So we say area of this front surface length into height, back side also it is length into height. So here length into height 2 times, then plus area of this surface and this surface, that is here breadth multiplied by height, and same way here also this is height and this is breadth, so height and breadth, so area of this also breadth into height, so 2 times breadth into height. That means here we got the area of 4 surfaces, so that is equal to 2 times 2 common, then length plus breadth and height also common. So we get here 2 times length into breadth multiplied by height. So in other language we also can say that it is 2 times L into B, means for this bottom you can see this is the length and this is breadth. 2 times length into breadth means for the surface at the bottom we call it perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base, and perimeter of the base multiplied by height. So we can remember in this way: lateral surface area of cuboid 2 times L plus B multiplied by height, that is perimeter of base multiplied by height. Then we can go for cube. For cube, lateral surface area of cube. Now for this we can make use of the same formula. You have to remember perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Let us see perimeter of base. multiplied by height. So what is the perimeter of the base? Here base is L into L. Base length dimensions are length, and so now perimeter is actually here 4 times length. So there is perimeter is here 4 times length multiplied by height. Also we can go for that. Here actually this is length, but here height is equal to what? That is equal to length, and so we call it 4 times L square. 4 times L square. You can see now actually this is lateral surface area, means area of all the 4 faces, that is this front side, back side, this right side and left side. So what is the area of this face? L into L. L into L. There are 4 faces and each one has the area L into L, that is 4 times L square. Now let's go for lateral surface area or curved surface area of cuboid. Curved surface area of cuboid. So what is the curved surface area of cuboid? Again we can proceed in the same way. Perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Here circular, so we say circumference of base multiplied by height. So what is the circumference of the base? As it is circle, we already studied the perimeter of the circular base, that is here circumference of the circular base is 2 pi r multiplied by height of the cylinder is h, and so we call it 2 pi r h. So here curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, that is perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Here lateral surface area of cuboid is perimeter of the base multiplied by height, that is 2 times L plus B into H. Then perimeter of the base multiplied by height for cube also, that is 4 times L square or 4 into L into L. So this is lateral surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Now let us start total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Then we will discuss about volume. Now you see, lateral surface area means area of all the 4 faces. So if we add the area of top and bottom, suppose you can see here, it is cuboid set. We have calculated area of this surface, this surface, this surface and this surface. Now if we add the area of top and bottom, then we say we will get the area of all the 6 surfaces, that is total surface area. So let us start total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid. You can see here, we have already seen lateral surface area, then plus area of top and bottom. Now what is the area of bottom? Length multiplied by breadth. So here also length multiplied by breadth. So here length multiplied by breadth, top and bottom, and so 2 times length plus length multiplied by breadth. So what is lateral surface area? That already we have seen, 2 times L plus B multiplied by H, and here it is 2 times L into B. So on expanding we will get, as it was L into H plus 2 times breadth into H plus 2 times L into B. On arranging them, we get L 2 times, all the 3 2 times, we get L into B plus breadth into height plus height into length. So this is the formula for total surface area of cuboid. Now let us start total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube. Here also we have seen area of all the four surfaces, that is lateral surface area. If we add top and bottom just like cuboid, then we will get area of total surface area of cube. Here it is cuboid shape. If its length, breadth and height all the three are equal, then it forms cuboid to cube. So here length is length, breadth also length, height also length. So total surface area, that is lateral surface area plus area of top and bottom. So 2 times area of top and bottom. Area of top is L into L, bottom also L into L. So 2 times L into L. Here we have already calculated 4 times L into L plus here 2 times L into L. That means we say 6 times L into L, or we say 6L square. So this is the total surface area of cube. Now let us go for total surface area of cylinder. Now in cylinder we already seen curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Now area of the top and bottom. Here bottom is circular, top circular with the same radius. Therefore we can find the area of this circle, that is bottom, is pi r square, and area of top also pi r square. So we can add both this to the curved surface area, and thus we will get total surface area of cylinder. Now you see here curved surface area plus 2 times area of top and bottom, or we say area of base. Base and top both have the same area, so we can take 2 times the area of base. What is this here? 2 pi r h. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h, and area of base is pi r square. So now you can see here 2 is common, pi is common, and r also common. So let us take 2 common, pi common, and r common. So in bracket only h left here. 2 pi r common, h left here. 2 pi r common, one more r left plus r. So this is the total surface area of cylinder. Now here cuboid. 2 times total surface area of cuboid, 2 times L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Total surface area of cube 6 times L square. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r in bracket H plus R. Now let us go for volume. Solids like cylinder, cuboid, cube and cylinder. We have discussed surface area. Now let us talk about volume also. Volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. As we have discussed, lateral surface area of cuboid, that is perimeter of the base multiplied by height. Here also perimeter of the base multiplied by height for curved surface, and here also circumference of the base multiplied by height. If we add area of top and bottom, then we get total surface area. Thank you for joining us.